If you need to reset two-factor authentication on ProtonMail, follow these steps to ensure your account remains secure while you regain access. Step 1. Log into your ProtonMail account. Visit the ProtonMail website and enter your username and password to log into your account. If you are unable to log in due to two-factor authentication, proceed to the recovery options. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. You can find this option in the upper right corner of the screen, typically represented by your profile icon or name. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication settings. In the account settings menu, look for the section dedicated to security or two-factor authentication. This section will provide options related to your current two-factor setup. Step 4. Initiate the reset process. Select the option to reset or disable two-factor authentication. You may be required to verify your identity through an email or recovery code sent to your registered email address. Step 5. Set up new two-factor authentication. After successfully resetting, you will have the opportunity to set up two-factor authentication again. Follow the prompts to link a new authentication method such as an app or SMS, ensuring your account is secure. By following these steps, you can successfully reset two-factor authentication on your ProtonMail account. Always remember to keep your recovery options updated for future access.